Hi everyone, welcome to back my channel Data Science Genius. My name is Jikra and I am delighted to be here with you today. Very important topic to discuss. So we are going to explore an important topic, what is Python and how to use in Python. What is Python? Python is an open source programming language having feature like object-oriented, interpreted and high-level language. It is a dynamically typed programming language which is easy to use with readable and user-friendly syntax. It has huge libraries, frameworks, and large community support. Python is an interpreted object-oriented high-level programming language with dynamic semantic. Its high-level built-in data structures combined with dynamically typed and dynamically binding make it very attractive for rapid application development, as well as for use as a scripting or flow language to connect existing components together. Python's simple, easy-to-learn syntax emphasizes readability and therefore reduces the cost of program maintenance. Python support modules and packages which encourage program modularity and code reuse. And then so on. What is Python used for? Python is commonly used for developing website and software task automations, data analysis, data visualization. Since it's relatively easy to learn, Python has been adopted by many non-programmers such as accountants and scientists for a variety of everyday tasks like organization finance. In this book, Python Everybody, you can write a program for many reasons, ranging of making your living to solve difficult data analysis problem to having fun of helping someone else solve a problem. What is Python used for? We already mentioned more than once field that Python has a lot of application. So let's see where exactly we can use Python in the real world. Python used for data analysis, Python for data visualization, and Python for machine learning, Python for software development, and Python for web development, and so on. Python for task automation, scripting, monitoring the stock market, web scraping, keep updated to the list. And then why learn to use Python? The benefit of knowing and using Python clearly. How? Show why it's a great choice for learning, especially as your first programming language. However, why would you personally decide to learn it? Here are some reasons that can convince you or more. To easy Python task complete and analysis and visualization and web development for use of the Python. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more informative content on data science. Until next time, take care.